Now let me discuss about the other drug, that is Valacyclovir. Now if you take this particular Valacyclovir, remember Valacyclovir has a long half-life. Alright, this Valacyclovir, it is having long half-life, and this Valacyclovir, it gets converted to Acyclovir by hepatic metabolism. Right, so by hepatic metabolism, remember this Valacyclovir is converted into Acyclovir. Right, it is converted into Acyclovir. Next, we have another important drug which is called as Famciclovir. Right, which is called as Famciclovir. Now if you take this Famciclovir, remember this is a prodrug. Right, Famciclovir is a prodrug, and this Famciclovir, it gets converted to penciclovir. Right, it's a prodrug which is converted to penciclovir. Now this penciclovir, it is also developed as a separate drug. Right, this can be also developed. Right, this can be also developed as a separate drug, and this Famciclovir, which is a prodrug that gets converted into penciclovir, it acts via the similar mechanism. Right, even this also has similar mechanism. What is that mechanism? They act by inhibiting the viral DNA polymerase. Next, now after this Valacyclovir and as well as the Famciclovir, let me take up the other drug which is nothing but Gancyclovir. Right, which is nothing but Gancyclovir. Now if you take this Gancyclovir, remember it is active against the cytomegalovirus and as well as the HSV infection. Right, so for cytomegalovirus and as well as for herpes simplex virus, this Gancyclovir is used. And how does it act? Same thing, it acts by inhibiting the DNA polymerase. Right, it acts by inhibiting alright, so it acts by inhibiting the DNA polymerase. Now the other important point is that the first phosphorylation step in this case also is virus specific. Right, so the virus specific kinases, they convert Gancyclovir to the Gancyclovir monophosphate. Okay, so the first phosphorylation is also virus specific. Next, the other important multiple choice questions here is, you take the Gancyclovir. Remember Gancyclovir, the route of administration is the intravenous route of administration, whereas you take Valganciclovir. Alright, you take the other drug, that is Valganciclovir. This Valganciclovir, it has a very good oral absorption. Right, it is having very good oral absorption. Alright, next, the other important multiple choice question is, you take the Gancyclovir. Gancyclovir is the drug of choice for CMV infections including retinitis. Okay, so Gancyclovir, remember this is considered as drug of choice for cytomegalovirus infection including retinitis. Right, including retinitis. Next, now if you take the adverse effect associated with the Gancyclovir, remember Gancyclovir, it causes dose limiting adverse effects, that is myelosuppression. Okay, So the adverse effects of this Gancyclovir is right, the adverse effects of this Gancyclovir is myelosuppression. Now remember, its bone marrow suppressive action is additive to other myelosuppressive drugs like Cidofovir. Now remember, you take this Cidofovir is an antiretroviral drug, right? It is given for HIV infection and it is one of the nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitor. It is an NRTA. So even your Cidofovir also causes myelosuppression, that is bone marrow suppression, right? This also causes myelosuppression. So remember, dose limiting adverse effects is myelosuppression with Gancyclovir and its bone marrow suppressive action is additive to other myelosuppressive drugs like Cidofovir. Next, the other adverse effects associated with the Gancyclovir is the CNS side effects. Right, the other adverse effects is the CNS side effects, and this particular CNS side effects, it includes headache to almost convulsions, right, headache to convulsions. This also occur quite commonly with this particular Gancyclovir. Okay, so shortly revising these drugs, let me tell you the Valacyclovir. Valacyclovir, remember, it is having long half-life and it gets converted into Acyclovir by the hepatic metabolism. And you take the other drug, that is Famciclovir. Famciclovir is a prodrug that gets converted into penciclovir, and this penciclovir is also developed as a separate drug as well. And this drug, they act via the similar mechanism. And you take the Gancyclovir, it is active against the cytomegalovirus and as well as HSV, and it acts by inhibiting the DNA polymerase, and the first phosphorylation step in this case is also virus specific. And if you take this Gancyclovir, it is used only intravenously, whereas you take Valganciclovir, it has good oral absorption as well. And you take the Gancyclovir, it is considered as the drug of choice for CMV infections including retinitis. And the adverse effects is, the dose limiting adverse effects is the myelosuppression, and its bone marrow suppressive action is additive to other myelosuppressive drugs like Cidofovir. And you take the CNS side effects. The CNS side effects, it includes headache to convulsion, also occurs quite commonly with this particular Gancyclovir.